Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Drive not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here you will see click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and search apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here scroll down and search Google Drives. So you will see search Google Drives. You will see Google Drive is here, so click on Drives. Now here scroll down to and you will see showing you storage. So click on storage. So click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Google Drive not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.